in the world is that noise coming from the inn? It's creeping me out. Better stay out here just to play it safe. Heck is that noise? I know that's not Nail. I swear that inn is haunted. It's on the kid's side. I used to stay in that inn, now I don't. Tomorrow I'm gonna have shooting star, and we're gonna investigate the inn. There's some freaking noise over there.